at this. This needs a new defrost board. This is crazy. Look at that. Oh. That one's also kind of frozen. Man. But look at this one. This one. You can barely even hear the compressor. This one may be on its way out or just a defrost board.
2008. Either that's 2008 or 2009. 2024. Or, sorry. No. 2008 GSH13.
That's not a defrost. That's just ice cracking because the expansion and contraction. But yeah, iced over Goodman. So yeah, thank you for watching and over and out.